ka ng iba. Iniwan mo ako mag-isa. Hindi ko maturuan ang pusong wag magmahal ng tapat sa'yo. Kahit pa ako'y bahagi na lamang ng nakaraan mo. Andito lang ako sa'yo. Hanggang kailan aasa? Hanggang kailan magdurusa? Hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan aasa? Hanggang kailan magdurusa?
And then you find out if you eat one more piece of chocolate, you're gonna die. So you can't eat that chocolate anymore. Even though you can go like that and make 1,000 up here, you can't eat it. It's the same thing. So you're like, oh, I can look at it, but I can't.
Masasaktan, pagdurusa sa piling mo'y pagdaraanan. Ang tanging tanong ko lang, hanggang batid kong hanggang dito na lang. Kaya't pipiliting ika'y talikuran, ika'y aking lilimutin.
Congratulations, because you are safe tonight. Heaven, I'm sorry, Rita. You have just been evicted from the Big Brother house.
Kailan aasa? Hanggang kailan magdurusa? Hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan aasa? Hanggang kailan magdurusa? Hanggang kailan? Sana ako'y mapagod na. Hanggang